So here is my 2017 Harley-Davidson Breakout in black. Totally mint, only has 1,033 miles on it. It's barely been ridden. As you can see, it's got the upgraded rims. It's the only year that came with these rims on this bike. Before this, these rims were only aftermarket, I believe in chrome. Not totally sure about that. You can see the discs are barely touched. Tires are brand new. The seat doesn't even have any creases in it. It's a great bike, rides great, runs great. Graded headlight that I think looks really nice. That's the front of the bike. Wrap around here. I have a bag on the side. Of course, it's removable. You could also take off the rear seat on this bike, which looks really cool. I'm gonna kick it on for you guys now so you can hear how good it sounds.